In this quick video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 10 PC. If you have recently performed a fresh installation of Windows 10, you will notice that the only web browser available on your system is Microsoft Edge. So you will open Microsoft Edge. Here you will type Google Chrome and select it up here. Just ignore this message from Microsoft Edge that there is no need to download new web browser if you really want to use Google Chrome. Click here on Google Chrome Download. When this page opens, uncheck this and select Download Chrome. After it finishes with downloading, click here on Open File. If you accidentally clicked anywhere and this disappeared, just click on these three dots and on this menu select Downloads. When you click on it, it will start to download any additional files if needed and install Google Chrome on your computer. After it finishes, it will open Google Chrome and you are ready to use it and customize it as you wish. If you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser on your PC, simply click on the Start menu and select Settings. From there, click on Apps, followed by Default Apps. Under Web Browser, select Google Chrome from the list of options provided. Now, every time that some app from your PC wants to open web browser and take you to their site, it will do it over Google Chrome browser. And that concludes this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel for future content. If you would like to show your appreciation, you can use thanks button to buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and see you in the next video.